So with all its new sponsors and minor twists and tweaks, another season of schoolboy football is upon us. Manning Cup, the Costa Cup, Walker Cup, Ben Francis Cup, and the replacement Champions Cup will light up the local football space over the next 3 months. And look, whether we want to accept it or not, schoolboy football remains the biggest platform for the exposure of Jamaica's young football talent. That is the unorthodox but simple reality. And additionally, the Manning and the Costa Cup competitions played in a World Cup year always carry that extra inspirational edge for all young Jamaican ballers. Anyway, as we prepare to lose ourselves in the intrigue and excitement of another season of schoolboy football, I don't want to lose sight of the bigger picture. And in that regard, schoolboy football has been good and it has been bad. Good in the sense of its rich history and tradition that keeps the passion for the game alive and well at the age group level. But bad because of its addictive powers over the elite players who emerge from year to year but get trapped in the schoolboy mentality until they are 18 and 19, which stagnates their development and poisons their transition into the wider world of professional football. Again, Manning Cup and the Costa Cup have been good for players like the Mavericks, who never really special. But the really special elite Jamaican talent, like a Leon Bailey, it is proven never needed schoolboy football. Well, me was special too, but the injury and bad mind and bad luck. Yes, me is special.